Good morning students. I am your Ajay Rokde sir. Now in this video we solve the third question of practice set 4.4. If a bracket y plus z equal to b, z plus x equal to c, x plus y, then show that y minus z upon ab minus c equals to, this ratio is equal to z minus x upon b, c minus a is equal to a minus x minus y upon c bracket a minus b. Now we start the proof of this question. We start from the given condition. What is the given condition? Given condition is a y plus z is equal to b z plus x is equal to c x plus y. Now look in this expression which we want to show. Now in this expression a, B, C are in denominator and here A, B, C are in the numerator. So first we divide all this term by A, B, C so that all these A, B, C are come in the denominator. So I write here divide each term by A, B, C. Then what? Then expression is A y plus z divided by A, B, C is equal to B z plus x upon A, B, C. It is equal to C x plus y upon a, b, c. Now in these expressions a gets cancelled and therefore what is expression remaining? Y plus z upon bc is equal to here z plus x upon b gets cancelled, in denominator AC remain, and here CC cancel, that is x plus y upon AB. Now all these ratios are equal. Now look in the what we want to show, y minus z upon a in the bracket b minus c, that is AB minus AC. So AB minus AC, they are in this ratio AB and AC. So I take these two ratios are equal. Now I take these two ratios are equal, Z plus X. Sorry, first we want AB, so that I take first ratio is AB, that is x plus y upon AB equal to z plus x upon AC. Now all these ratios are equal and therefore by using the property the property on equal ratio. Now what we want here? The minus subtraction, so that I subtract x plus y, numerator we do the subtraction of the numerator, that means x plus y. Now subtraction means change the sign, that is minus z minus x divided by AB minus AC, and therefore what is remaining? And therefore here x gets cancelled, y minus z divided by a gets common, b minus C. Understand? And this is our equation number 1. Now we take the second example, second ratios. Now what we want to prove? Z minus x upon BC minus BA. So I write here first BC, y plus z BC is equal to BA, means this ratio, x plus y upon AB. Now by property on equal ratio, here we also subtract y plus z minus x minus y divided by BC minus AB, and this is what by property on equal ratio. Property on equal ratio. And therefore take out common. Here y gets common, z minus x is equal to b common. What is remaining? C minus a. This is our equation number 2. Similarly for third, in third, what is in denominator? CA minus CB. So I write here first CA, that is AC, means z plus x upon AC is equal to CB, means y plus z upon BC. By property on equal ratio, z plus x, subtract these values, minus y minus z. Subtraction means change the sign of both the numbers, and here AC minus BC, and therefore here z get cancelled. Answer is x minus y. In denominator C common, A minus B. सॉरी, आपको दिख नहीं रहा था, ठीक है. हाँ, here z plus x minus y minus z upon AC minus BC. Here z get cancelled. What is remaining? X minus y. In denominator C gets common, A minus B. This is our equation number 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3 we conclude that now all these three ratios are equal, and therefore these three ratios are also equal. And so I write here from 1, 2, 3 our answer is completed. From 1, 2 and 3 we prove that y minus z upon a b minus c is equal to z minus x, b c minus a is equal to x minus y upon c a minus b. And in this way this proof is completed. Understand? Now the second question is very easy. Second question, and in this example we only have only these two questions we want to solve. Remaining three questions, third, fourth and fifth, are omitted from your syllabus for this session. Now the second question is, if x upon 3x minus y minus z is equal to y upon 3y minus z minus x is equal to z upon 3z minus x minus y, then show that each ratio is equal to 1. ठीक है, हर एक रेशियो हमें बताना है इज इक्वल टू 1 और गिवन कंडीशन है x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड नॉट इक्वल टू 0. तो स्टार्ट यहीं से हम करेंगे गिवन से. तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे लेट ईच रेशियो को हम लेंगे k इक्वल टू x अपॉन 3x माइनस वाई माइनस जेड इज इक्वल टू y 3y माइनस जेड minus x is equal to z 3z minus x minus y. Then we use a property on equal ratio. क्या बोलेंगे by theorem on equal ratio. इक्वल रेशियो में हम सबका एडिशन करेंगे क्योंकि गिवन कंडीशन है कि सबका एडिशन नॉट इक्वल टू 0 है. तो ऊपर में एडिशन कर देंगे x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड. बहुत ही सिंपल एक्सरसाइज एग्जाम्पल ये है. डिनोमिनेटर में भी ऐड हो जाएंगे 3x माइनस वाई माइनस जेड प्लस 3y माइनस जेड माइनस एक्स प्लस 3z minus x minus y, and therefore each ratio k is equal to numerator as it is. Solve the denominator. क्या हो रहा है 3x. चलो x को हम साथ में लाएंगे 3x minus x and minus x, then plus 3y minus y and here minus y. Collect the like terms. Then 3z minus z and here is also minus z. And therefore what is remaining? The k is equal to numerator as it is. In denominator it is 3x minus x, that is 2x minus x is only remaining x. Here is also what is remaining y, and here 3x minus 3z minus z is 2z and 2z minus z is z, and therefore each ratio k is equal to x plus y plus z divided by x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Understand? And therefore we say that each ratio is 1. Here our exercise 4.4 is completed. No, sorry, last question, fourth question is remaining. We solve that question in next period. Thank you.